How to fix Spotify search not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is restart the app. Close Spotify completely and relaunch it. Swipe off from the bottom of the screen. Close the app and again relaunch it. Next, check your internet connection. For that, close this, launch your settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Likewise, launch your Spotify. Now you'll need to log out and log in back to your account. Click on the profile icon given at the top left. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Click on the option logout. Click on logout again for the confirmation. Once you log out of your account, wait for a few minutes and then again log in back. Next up, clear cache. For that, click on the option data saving and offline. Click on clear for the clear cache option. This removes temporary data that might be interfering with search. Next, update Spotify. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, try Spotify Web. If the app still does not work, try searching by open.spotify.com in your browser. If it works there, the issue is likely with the app only. So what you have to do is completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Spotify app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Spotify search not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.